Hi all. So today's topic of discussion is White Hat SEO versus Black Hat SEO. So like we know like what exactly SEO is, like search engine optimization. So if you're not aware of what is on-page SEO, what is off-page SEO, or like the definition of SEO and what are the different types of SEO or methodologies of SEO, then you can check out the videos of the channel Pi-MSquare. I've given the links in the description. You can go through that and you can easily understand like what exactly the on-page SEO and off-page SEO. So today we'll discuss about white hat SEO versus black hat SEO. So what is a white hat SEO and how it is like useful in SEO, and what is a black hat SEO and why this is called as the black hat SEO. So to discuss further like white hat SEO versus black hat SEO, before moving into the content part, I would request you to like if you have not gone through my earlier videos of on page SEO and off page SEO, please go through that so that it will be easier for you to understand the content of this video. So white hat SEO, as the name suggests, white hat SEO and the black hat SEO, doing it in a right way, in a fair and correct means, the SEO, like the SEO whatever you are doing it, is doing it in a right way or in an ethical way. It's called as the white hat SEO. And the black hat SEO is something like the opposite part, like unfair way of doing it, unethical way of doing it, incorrect ways to do it. Like white hat SEO takes longer time, whereas to get ranked well in the web, to get ranked well in the Google search rankings, or like in the search engine ranking page. So most of the digital marketers used to prefer the unfair modes of the SEO part, which is a black hat SEO. But nowadays, like most of the agencies or most of the marketers are following white hat SEO only. So black hat SEO in this method. So what exactly marketers used to do, or like what exactly this black hat method is? So in this black hat method, you will stuff lot of keywords in the HTML coding, like in the meta description, in the title tags. You will stuff a lot of keywords into that to get rank it well, or add like unwanted words, or number of keywords, making the sentence without any meaning or anything. You just write it down with the keywords and everything in the content part in your website or a blog, just to get ranked well. Or put down the topics, or the subheadings or headings as the complete long tail keywords, so that you will be ranking it in the search engine results page. And creating different spam methods, where you will be giving different links from that to your website. We call it as doorway or gateway links or gateway pages. So where you will be doing all these things to get ranked well. So these are unfair methods of doing the SEO. So SEO follows few guidelines. So where you have to follow those guidelines as per designed, like by Google or the search engines. So where you have to follow those guidelines to make sure that your website gets ranked well in the search engine results page. So to get it ranked well, you have to follow the guidelines, which is in ethical way of doing it. So which is called as the white hat SEO. So we understood like in black hat SEO, it is not the right way of doing it. White hat SEO is the right way of doing it. So in white hat SEO, so what you will be doing it? You will not be stuffing the keywords or anything. You will not be putting unnecessary words or unnecessary keywords in the mid of content of your website. You will not copy the content from your like any competitors or from any other website. You will write your own unique content for the website or the blogs, the unique content with meaningful sentences, and writing it for the users will help you out more. And like let's say if you're putting out a title tag for the page, then it will be relevant to that page, instead of writing it some other thing. Like let's say if the page is talking about a digital marketing services, and you are writing it something like web development services for that, first, in the initial, you have written like, best web development company, then you have written it like, digital marketing services. So that doesn't make any sense. So the title tag or the meta tags should be relevant to the page what you're talking about. Then all the CSS design elements and all these things, making minify of the CSS elements as well as, JavaScript elements, these things will be easily understand by a web developer rather than, a marketer. But being a marketer, we should know like, we should also optimize the JavaScript as well as the CSS designs, as well as um, it is important that in White Hat SEO we should follow the guidelines, such as, you should look at the navigation part of the website, as well as you should look at how the URL is on the website, and what kind of images you are using, have you written all text or not. So these are, few other things like which you have to follow in White Hat SEO. And instead of, apart from this, like while giving links in the website, it's being at an internal link or an external link. So you have to make sure that the internal link which you are giving in the website is not something you are making it as a spam. Let's say you have a paragraph, where in a paragraph for uh, about 500 words of, like a paragraph, where in the 500 words of paragraph, 480 words you are linking it to some other page, then it's a spam method of doing it. So if you are making it, 100 words or 50 words or 30 words, and correcting it to the relevant pages, and it is required there, then only it is called as the White Hat SEO. I have seen like, most of the marketers, what they'll do in blogs or articles, they'll put it, 500 words or 750 words of an article. In that, 350 or 400 words will be connected to different other links. So which is not the right way of doing it. So if it is required for an user to go and see like, okay, let's say I have written an article on the basis of like, digital marketing White Hat SEO services. So in that article, if I'm writing it how to do the White Hat SEO services and giving a link to that, then that makes sense that, the user who is reading that article is may or may not be interested, but 90% of chances that the user may be interested by clicking on that link and reading to the next article as well. But if I have written, like this article, and I have put like Black Hat SEO and all this stuff, and I have given, like 30 or 40 links, then it clearly shows that spam method of doing it. So make sure that, the linking process or the content process or the keywords process, everything is right, or the whatever be the internal links you are giving it, it should is as per the guidelines of SEO. So I hope like you have understood like what exactly White Hat SEO and what is a Black Hat SEO. If you still have confusion, you can, check back to my videos of on page SEO and off page SEO, where you will be easily understanding like what exactly the White Hat SEO and how it is related with the keywords, links, and all this stuff, and Black Hat SEO. So to make it summary wise, I've just given you like two points where it will be very easy for you to understand. So White Hat technology or the White Hat SEO technology is something in SEO methodology which is done in fair means, and this is done on the unfair means. And White Hat SEO technologies involve trustworthy links to your website, using the right keywords, right title and meta descriptions relevant to the page, and as per the search engine rules, you will be following it. So what is the search engine rule? I'll give you an example. Like let's say you have a title tag, and the title tag should be, less than 66 characters or 65 characters, but to make it, like get ranked well, you will be putting up 120 characters or something. So that is not the right way of, doing it, or you're not following the search engine rules. And write down the original content, error free code in JavaScript or CSS or HTML, everything. So these are the few examples of what is in White Hat SEO. If you see on the other side, like low quality backlinks, putting lot of keywords, duplicate content, or copying content from somewhere and putting it out in your website, and the coding part is not structured properly. So all these are like black hat SEO technology examples. So I hope like you have understood through this summary like what exactly white hat SEO and what exactly black hat SEO, and how both of these are different from on the same kind of angle or a different kind of angle. So if you have liked the content of this website, this video, please subscribe to our channel Pi-MSquare Academy. And if you still have any queries on White Hat SEO and Black Hat SEO, you can drop me a comment in the comment section. And if you'd like to know more about like SEO, White Hat SEO and Black Hat SEO, you can like browse our website www.pi-msquare.com, where the complete tutorials are for free. You can do it as a self-paced reading. You can go through the complete library and you can understand like what exactly the SEO and other part of that. And if you would like to like understand everything through the different videos, then you can subscribe to our channel and stay updated on our social media channels, where you'll be getting more details about the tips, history, interview tips, question and answers, solutions, different solutions on the digital marketing and everything. So subscribe to Pi-MSquare Academy channel and stay updated, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks a lot.